Welcome to ShortURL.ad. In this video, we'll learn how to generate QR codes for social media platforms. Next, open your web browser and type ShortURL.ad. Now, go to Login at the top right of the page. Now, register yourself using your email ID or simply register through your Gmail. Once logged in, you'll have access to your dashboard, where you can easily shorten long links and track their performance. Next, click on QR code and then tap Create QR. You can see that the QR dashboard is now open. Enter your QR code name. You have plenty of options to choose from, depending on the purpose of your QR code, such as displaying text, sending SMS or messages, sharing Wi-Fi details, providing a link, email or phone number, promoting your mobile application, downloading a file, or sharing a WhatsApp group link. Here, I am using simple text, "Hello." You can easily customize your QR code by changing its color and design according to your choice. Or you can simply use the pre-made templates provided by ShortURL.ad. It's absolutely free. Here I've selected the Insta Heart Glow template for my QR code. Now I'm adding an Instagram logo to make it look more attractive. Finally, click on Generate QR Code to create your QR. You can easily download your QR code in PNG, SVG, or JPG formats. Thank you. Please visit ShortURL.ae, one platform for short links and QR codes.